Do you want to create a nice embed and send it to your Discord server? Then you're in the right video. Welcome to the JonBot channel. On this channel, we explain how to use JonBot to perfection. As you understood in this video, we're going to create an embed, and then I will show you how to modify it very easily whenever you want, without deleting it and resending the message to keep the reactions. So here's an example of an embed we can make with JonBot, but this is really a very basic embed. To start, you will go to your Discord server and type the /command dashboard and click here to go to your dashboard. Then you go to the embeds category, and we will create one. You can name it so you can find it later when you have a lot of embeds. I'm going to name it Special Announcement. Next, you choose a channel where you want to send it. This is where the serious stuff begins. You'll be able to fully customize the message. So here is the message. You can type a basic message in the message content. Here, this is where you need to mention if you want to make mentions. So I'm going to mention everyone. You won't be able to mention in the embed. It won't do anything. And then, you can add an embed. And you can add several. And here, you have a ton of options. You have all the options available on this dashboard that are allowed by Discord. I'm going to keep it really basic. A title, a simple description. You can even add fields. And you can add images as well. Plus a footer. You can customize everything. Here, you can put a date that will be displayed in the user's language. Discord takes care of that. You can add embeds. You can do a lot of customization. It's a system that is unique to each user. You can then set the color. Once you're done, you can click here to see the preview without being able to customize it. And click here if you want to customize it further. Then you click Create, and there, you can still customize it and you can send it. We can see that our message has been sent. And here, the strength of the system is that you can add a little reaction, and if you go back here to make a modification, for example, if we remove the everyone, we'll save it, and there on Discord, it will have edited it well. While keeping the reaction, it didn't send a new message, so you can keep everything. And if you want to make updates, for example, on an information embed, you can do that very easily. Well, I hope this video was helpful to you. If so, feel free to subscribe and like it. See you soon.